These animals don't race you, they erase you from the competition. Number 5, cheetah, the land speed demon, 120 kilometers per hour and all acceleration. Number 4, black marlin, the ocean's bullet, swims at 130 kilometers per hour. Number 3, Mexican free-tailed bat, a tiny blur clocked at 160 kilometers per hour. Number 2, golden eagle, sky assassin, drops at 320 kilometers per hour. Number 1, peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth, a living missile at 390 kilometers per hour. Like the video now or the next time something moves fast, you'll think it's one of these. Which one outruns humans in 50 years? Your guess?